Today, I want to show you how we make homemade vanilla extract from scratch at home. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Julie, keeper of my home. If you do much home baking, then I'm sure you have made or seen many recipes that call for vanilla extract. Now, being that you are probably also the one who buys the groceries, you've probably grown quite faint over the price of vanilla extract in the stores. At our local Walmart store, vanilla extract is currently selling for between $5 and $7 for a 2-ounce bottle. That's 4 tablespoons. Since most recipes call for 1 to 2 teaspoons, you can just imagine how quickly you're going to go through that small amount. Many of the store-bought vanilla extracts contain sulfites, which are used to maintain food color, shelf life, and it also prevents the growth of bacteria. Some vanilla extracts also contain sugar or corn syrup to enhance the flavor of low-quality vanilla beans. And these are just some really great reasons to make your very own vanilla extract from scratch. Making your own vanilla at home is very simple. It can be made using vodka, rum, or bourbon. Most commonly, people use vodka, and this will give you an extract with the most neutral flavor. Since vodka is tasteless, you get a pure vanilla flavor. Rum is going to give you a very sweet taste with maximum vanilla flavor. I think spiced rum could also be a great choice. I bet that would taste really good. Bourbon will give you a warm, rich flavor with notes of caramel and spice, adding a real depth to your baked goods. You just want to make sure that the alcohol you're using is between 70 and 100 proof. For containers, you can use mason jars, lock top bottles like the ones we're using here, or just the bottle that the alcohol comes in. You just want to make sure that it's a container you can seal. If you're a canner, using mason jars is probably the much cheaper choice because you already have the jars on hand. You're also going to need some vanilla beans. We are using Tahitian vanilla beans from Vanilla Bean Kings. You can buy those either on their website or Amazon also has them. We also have Madagascar vanilla beans from Fit and Clean Herbs and Spices. Vanilla beans are sold as grade A or grade B, with grade A being the best. For us, grade B is the more affordable choice, and we find the end result is just fine. Joe and I buy our vanilla beans over time. Usually, every couple of months we will purchase some, and then we make it all together in bulk. When we make our vanilla, we use about 6 vanilla beans per 8 ounces of vodka or rum. And then we let it sit for 6 months to a year. Ideally, a year is best, but sometimes we end up needing it sooner. No worries. The vanilla will obviously be stronger the longer you wait, but 6 months is fine if you need it. When making your vanilla extract, you always want to make sure that your containers are washed and dried thoroughly before making it. Joe and I like to split our beans, but you don't have to. We feel like it helps infuse the vanilla a bit faster. When splitting your beans, you just want to make sure that you're slicing down lengthwise down your bean, not going all the way through to the other side. You just want to expose the paste on the inside of the beans. Then you want to place your vanilla beans into your container and add either vodka, rum, or bourbon, whatever your choice is. Joe and I are using vodka and rum. I do recommend that you use a funnel. Once your jars are filled, label and date them. We actually write the date on our calendar. We have used our vanilla beans twice after emptying a jar by just refilling the jar back up with alcohol. You could also use the spent vanilla beans to infuse sugar. Vanilla sugar is a wonderful addition to many recipes, especially chocolate chip cookies. We like to store our vanilla in a cool, dark place. Under the counter of the cage bar in our tavern room is the perfect spot. Every once in a while, one of us will give the jar a shake, but this step isn't necessary, so if you forget, don't worry, your vanilla will still be great. Making your own homemade vanilla does seem like it would be more expensive, but it's definitely less expensive at around as cheap as 50 cents an ounce, depending on the price of your alcohol, beans, and if you're purchasing containers, compared to $5 to $7 for 2 ounces at the grocery store. Homemade vanilla extract is the perfect gift, whether for Christmas or a housewarming. I'd love to hear from you. Do you make your own extract? What's your favorite alcohol to use? And how do you use your extracts? Thank you for taking time out of your day to spend it here with us. And until next time.